Hi, it's Chris. Here I'm digging out a pool pad for a 24-foot hard-sided above-ground swimming pool. The dig is over 18 inches. A pool should not be backfilled more than 18 inches on a standard hard-sided above-ground swimming pool. So what I'm doing is tapering away the ledges of the pool to ensure that the dirt surrounding the pool isn't backfilled more than 18 inches. So in this particular area, where a pool sometimes would be backfilled up to the top of the sod, instead there's a gradual slope that goes away from the pool.